model, 67-plate Fiat Talento Vivaro Trafic Multijet to Ecojet needs engine repair, no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 136071. MOT, the 19th of March 2026. Engine, 1598 CCR9 M408. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Engine will need repairing or replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, air con, roof rack. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and